In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. You are a snake in the grass. You are a snake in the grass. Sentence number 2. Anyway, go to sleep now. Anyway, go to sleep now. Sentence number 3. I am about to propose you. I am about to propose you. Sentence number 4. I had vacated the house. I had vacated the house. Sentence number 5. You put me to dishonor. You put me to dishonor.